Welcome to the world of seamless communication with the Lang Translator extension. Imagine breaking down language barriers in your Discord conversations with just a few clicks. Let's walk you through how to set it up and start using it. First things first, installing the Lang Translator extension is quick and easy. Head over to langtranslator.com and click on Get Started. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store. Once there, hit Add to Chrome and confirm by clicking Add Extension. And that's it, the extension is now ready for use. Don't forget to turn it on by clicking the Lang Translator icon in your browser and toggling the switch. Now you need to sign in with your email ID and set up a password to use this extension. Now that you've installed the extension, let's set it up specifically for Discord. Open Discord Web and click the Lang Translator icon in your browser. In the settings menu, select your preferred language from the drop-down list. There are over 100 options to choose from. There are Enable Discord mode under the Platforms section. Your configuration is now saved, and you're all set to translate Discord chats effortlessly. Ready to experience real-time translations in Discord? It's super simple. While in any Discord chat, locate the Auto Translate button at the bottom right corner of the chat window. Click it, and just like that, all incoming messages will be translated into your selected language. Communicating with people around the world has never been easier. Need to translate a specific message or text? The Lang Translator has got you covered. Click on the extensions icon to open the pop-up menu and navigate to the Custom tab. And type or paste the text you want to translate into the Enter Text box. Choose your output language from the drop-down menu, and within seconds, your translation will appear. Copy it and use it anywhere. It's that simple. Not sure what language a message is in? No worries. While typing in Discord, click the Lang Translator icon near the input field. Once detected, you can seamlessly translate the text into your preferred language. Complete guide to mastering Lang Translator for Discord. Whether it's real-time translations, custom text conversions, or language detection, this tool makes global communication smooth and effortless. Say goodbye to language barriers and hello to meaningful conversations. Try Lang Translator today and transform the way you communicate. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Visit langtranslator.com to get started